So today's video, we're gonna use the high heels. So stilettos heels. So this one, I'm gonna use this one for uphill driving. So since I don't have nail colors yet, so I'm gonna put it in the right side. So this one is we're gonna use for the driving. So, okay, foot brake. It's quite dark this time because it's foggy in the road. Okay. Foot brake. Drive and brake down. So, I'm driving on the way to San Carlos City. So I have a new brake pads of my car, and if you have a new brake pads, what the how do you call that mechanic here in the Philippines did not tell you is that you cannot brake right on time, so you need to brake earlier than what you used to do. So I really expect that there's something wrong in my brake. Drive slowly this time, this evening, because it's raining, and it started when I can use my brake, but I cannot really brake on time with my new brake pads. So it is more worse if you change the brake pads and because I wasn't really aware that if you have a new brake pads, you have to brake earlier. Ako mas storya kung nagpailis mo brake pad. So this is Bisaya. So kung nagpailis ka ni mo brake pad, dapat di ay sakto jud na nga i-drive jud ninyo og layo ang imong sakyanan. So you have to drive far with your car para more mag-grind to iyahang quality to ba brake pads, brake disc. I'm not good with that because I experience na parang hindi ka makapag-brake. So it's more worse kuno kapag brake pads o brake disc ang imong giilisan kay ganun yung siya di ka maka-brake. So dapat hinahinay yung ka brake. Mo din ang uban nga sakyanan nga uy bago man to giilisan og kuan. They just change the bago man to giilisan og brake niya manong ingana man. Oh. So now we know. Magpalabig pag-usok og dagan di ay basta bagutang ilis o brake pads. Dili mo ka maka-brake on time. Well guys, I'm just telling about here in the Philippines, we're not really informed what to do if you have just changed your brake pads or brake disc. We're not informed to just drive slow because you cannot really brake on time when your brake pads and brake disc is changed and is new. So you have to drive slow and test the brake, and until for a long term that you are keep on driving, then it will be like normal again. But at first you have to drive slow because the brake is not working properly. because of the smoothness of because it's new, the brake pads is new, the brake disc is new. So that's the reason. And most Filipino don't know that. Like me, I did not know. I'm driving for many years, but I did not know that. I did not know that safety. Well, now I know.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.